Hi, I'm Tom.
I'm Lee.
We hope you enjoyed our video.
If you like, please push like.
And if you really liked, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel.
Thank you very much.
Here we go. Now we get to eat. Boy, that hillbilly barbecue is going to be good. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Traveling with Tom and Lee. Today's video is not really so much about traveling as it is about just having some backyard fun. What we have here, what I like to call, is our hillbilly barbecue or hillbilly smoker. My wife had this great idea a few years back to take our old gas grill and convert it into something that we can put over the fire pit to grill chicken on, and it works great. All I did was cut off the bottom, take all the plastic off that would melt. I took all the hoses out of the bottom. As you can see, I stripped it clean of everything. And what we do is we're gonna smoke chicken on here this afternoon. It's a lot of fun, and boy, it tastes great. If you want to come over here, I'll show you. We're gonna get the fire going later. It's a little bit early, but I chop these small wood up into little pieces, and I get the fire going real hot, and I burn it right down to coals. And if we need a little bit extra heat, I just add these on one piece at a time. Gives you a little extra heat to get it going. It takes about an hour and a half to smoke the chicken and cook it real good. And my wife's got a great recipe for the smoked chicken. We'll get the fire going later. All you need is paper. I cheat a little bit. I use a fire starter, fire stick, and a lighter, and about 5 pieces of wood. And we'll get that going later. Talk to you soon. Hey everyone, we're going to get the fire started now. Got it all set up. Just gonna light it up. Here we go. Hopefully it starts. I split a little bit of wood, make it a little easier. I got my little fire starter down there somewhere. If I can't get the paper lit, I probably can't get the fire lit. Here we go. Now what I'm gonna do is, once I get this little stuff going, is I'm gonna fill it right up with wood here. And I'll let it burn for a couple hours and get right down to hot coals. And that's it. After we get the fire started and get it down to hot coals, we'll come back, show you how we get the hillbilly smoker going. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Can't wait to eat that chicken. All right, we'll see you later. So there you have it, folks. Where there's smoke, there's fire. We got the fire going for our hillbilly barbecue. We're gonna let this burn a little bit hotter, and then we're gonna throw this wood on there. I'm using hickory, by the way. We're gonna let it burn a little bit. Once I get it going, I'll throw all that on, and then I'll put some bigger pieces on, and we're gonna let it burn down. Take about a half an hour to get real nice hot bed of coals. We'll be eating smoked chicken on the hillbilly barbecue in about 3 hours. Woohoo! Good times, man. Good times. Okay, YouTubers, we're back. We're getting ready to put our hillbilly smoker / hillbilly barbecue on the coals now. The fire's gone. As you can see, it's all smoked now. You want to get it down to just a little bit of flame. And if we need more, we'll use that wood over there, the little pieces, and we'll put them on to just get the right heat. It took a little longer than I thought to get this going. It was about 2.5 to 3 hours. The wood was a little wet. We had a big heavy rainstorm yesterday, but we got it right where we want. So we're getting ready to throw that hillbilly smoker right on here. But we've been enjoying the fire all day. Good times.
Okay, this is a chicken I soaked from last night.
Okay, so we're getting ready to do our Hillbilly barbecue and Hillbilly smoker with the grill that we took the bottom off. There was an old grill that was pretty much going to the curb because the bottom was all rotted out. You want to use something to grab a hold of this because this gets really, really hot. And I don't want nobody to get burned. So we got just a little bit of fire left. My wife Lee prepared the chicken last night. She soaked it. And we're getting ready to throw it on the Hillbilly smoker right now. Here we go. You're going to want to cook this chicken to about 165. I don't want nobody getting sick. Make sure you get it done. So I got a thermometer here, so we'll be checking it periodically. Here we go. Man, this is going to be good. Here's the back of my Hillbilly smoker. You can see I got just a little bit of flame in there just to keep the heat to it. She's smoking pretty good. We'll be eating in about, an hour and 15 minutes. She's coming along nice now. Just an enjoyable day with my wife Lee. There she is. Hello, Lee.
Hi.
Hello. She's probably going to take over. She's a better... She's a better cook than me, so I'll probably let her do the flipping. But I got the fire going.
Oh, you're good.
You're better than me for sure. You can see her garden in the background. She's featuring a show on her garden. That video will be coming soon.
Yeah.
She's got an amazing garden there. How about that garden, Lee? How's that going?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Smells so good. I bet it's delicious.
All right, let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. I'm flipping the chicken about every 15 minutes. Remember, you want to get it up to 165, so it's going to take a little time. Low and slow, that's what I like to call it. Just got the smoke rolling through, you see it? That's nice. Flip this chicken every 15 minutes, and in about an hour and a half, it'll be done. But it's good, I'll tell you that. All we did is cut the bottom of our gas grill off when it was rotting out at the bottom. And now we got ourselves a Hillbilly smoker. It's amazing. Pretty cool, I want to say, and it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. Number one, you can enjoy that fire while you're getting it going. Took me about 3 hours today because of the wood was a little bit wet. But we got it. And I'll tell you the other good thing about this is when we're all done cooking and eating, I can put a couple pieces of wood on there and we can enjoy the fire after dark, and it's going to be nice. Look at that. That's awesome.
Okay. Okay, dinner is done, yeah?
Here we go. Hillbilly smoker. We got it. Ah, look at that. I checked the temperature. Is at 165, 170. Perfect. Chicken off. Been smoking for about 2 hours. This whole process does take quite a while, but anyways, it's pretty enjoyable. You can sit back with family and friends for about 5 hours. Oh, chickens are getting heavy. Oh, we got about 10 pieces of chicken here. You can see the smoke rolling off. This is a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Most people throw this right in the garbage. Not us. We use it for our Hillbilly smoker. Woo! Good times. Look at that smoke. Man, this is going to be good. See that?
Okay. Time going to eat.
Very nice. Here we go. Now we get to eat. Boy, that Hillbilly barbecue is going to be good. Hillbilly smoker, that chicken is amazing. Hi, I'm Tom.
I'm Lee.
We hope you enjoyed our video.
If you like, please push like.
And if you really liked, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel.
Thank you very much. See you guys next time.
Bye-bye.